Imagine the Earth's gravity and atmospheric pressure simply vanished for 5 seconds. Many expect a peaceful, temporary glitch, a few seconds of weightless somersaults before gently landing back on the couch. Physics suggests a far more violent reality. At the equator, we are currently spinning at 460 meters per second, generating a massive outward centrifugal force. Gravity and atmospheric pressure act as the planet's containment fields. They are the only forces capable of pinning down that kinetic energy and keeping Earth intact. The immediate threat to the human body isn't floating away, it's the sudden, catastrophic lack of pressure. When ambient pressure drops below 47 millimeters of mercury, liquid water boils without heat. At this threshold, the fluids inside your cells begin a rapid phase transition. This expanding vapor causes surface cells to collapse while stripping away massive amounts of body heat through evaporation. Holding your breath is physically impossible against this internal expansion. Biology cannot survive the immediate vacuum. The destruction scales up at the surface, especially near the equator, where the rotational speed is highest and centrifugal force is at point. Without gravity, the oceans instantly move tangentially outward, bulging away from the seabed and following the Earth's rotational momentum into the sky. The air follows. Its sudden departure and violent return 5 seconds later creates a global supersonic shockwave with the power to shatter heavy structures. When gravity reappears, the bulging, displaced oceans crash back onto the crust, generating tsunamis that swamp coastlines across the globe. Stability on the surface relies entirely on the constant, unbroken tension of these gravitational and atmospheric forces. Beyond the surface, the 5-second lapse reaches everything in low Earth orbit. Newton's first law dictates that an object in motion will stay in that motion in a straight line. Without gravity pulling them inward, the International Space Station and every orbiting object would instantly eject into deep space. The Moon's massive scale and distance mean it would barely notice the drift. However, delicate GPS and communication satellites would be thrown miles off course, rendering their technology useless. A momentary glitch in physics is all it takes to permanently sever the celestial mechanics that maintain our global infrastructure. After 5 seconds, the planet is in ruins. Coastlines are flooded, the satellite grid is dark, and the atmosphere still rings with the aftershocks of global sonic booms. Industrial infrastructure enters immediate crisis. Nuclear facilities and steam-powered plants rely on stable gravity and water compression to function. Without them, reactors overheat rapidly, leading to widespread meltdowns. Gravity and atmospheric pressure provide a buffer between human life and the violent physics of a spinning planet. They are protective, active shields. Our world depends on this perfect, unbroken equilibrium. This invisible containment field protects us from a violent cosmic reality every second of our lives.